Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Paytm? No, invalid. How to log into Credit Karma account step by step. To log into your Credit Karma account, start by opening your web browser. Type in the Credit Karma website URL in the address bar. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the Login button located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields to enter your email address and password. In the first field, enter the email address associated with your Credit Karma account. Next, click on the password field and type in your password. Make sure to double-check that your password is entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. After entering your login credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment while the system processes your request. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Credit Karma dashboard. From here, you can access various financial tools and services. If you encounter any issues during the login process, ensure your internet connection is stable. Should you still face problems, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. If necessary, reach out to Credit Karma's customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.